Hello ChoroQ bus fans, we got another Onsen bus, and it turns out with some research that there are at least 19 different Onsen buses by ChoroQ with this cartoonish style to them. And there's at least a few more castings that I don't have, like this one, that one, maybe that one, and that one. So yeah, there's a whole line of these buses done by ChoroQ that look a bit cartoonish, and I'm okay with that. Just gotta track them down. So I took Google Translate and came up with 20 different translations, but one word that came up often was Tayama. But I did an internet search for a Tayama Onsen and nothing really came up, so the translation wasn't working well. So I don't really know what this Onsen is. Onsen is a hot spring in Japanese, by the way. Alright, well this toy is smooth pretty much here, and then it's just, printed, everything else. It's nice printing and all, it's just not really dimensional. And then these wheels are common in this series of Choro-Qs. The front though is molded and printed nicely. We got a nice license plate number. I couldn't translate that, the text is too small. And the windows are quite clear. I mean, you can literally see through the whole vehicle. It's not common for Choro-Qs to do this. But I will say there's almost no distortion, so it's better than most 1/64 scale cars. Alright, still got rubbery tires. It's still a wind up pullback toy, and I guess that's whatever, some type of onsen. Mountains, hot water, really lame taillights here. It's just so flat, not even a border around the taillights. Expect a little more from ChoroQ. Supposedly this is from the high grade collection, and supposedly it's from 2004. Standard construction, screw and a tab. So it's just a little different from the other two I have. So let's get those guys out. So the first one I did was this one. Very lame taillights on that as well. Very similar rear end. I think the body shells on these are identical. No, they're not. The top is identical. The rear and sides are... It's just the front ends are totally different though. But it does have the same wheels, just different colors. And then the one prior to this one was this. We did a video on that one. But this looks like it's a whole different scale of bus because there's 4 side windows. It looks like a commercial size bus. Cartooned again. So I got 3 of the 19. I don't intend to get all 19 of these buses. I just want to get one of each physical casting because I find that pretty interesting. Alright, if you're curious what other ChoroQ buses look like, I'll just pull out these other 2. Here's a bonnet bus. It's a Hino bonnet bus, so that's based off of a real bus. I don't know if any of these are based off of real things, but this is a Hino. And then this is, boy, I don't know what kind of bus it is, but I'm sure it's based off something in the real world. And that one's just chock full of details. I like it. And these are the wheels it came with. But this Hino, I 3D printed my own bus wheels. So these wheels are 3D printed. Alright, let's let this guy spin on its own. So as time and opportunity allows, I will continue to get more of these things. So hopefully I'll see you when that video comes up. Thanks for watching today. Bye.